This fully integrated Hotpoint dishwasher is perfect if you want a high-quality model with brilliant technology. It has an efficient A++ energy rating, 9 wash programs and 10 place settings, which lets you clean a side plate, main dish, bowl, cup and cutlery for up to 10 people. This is perfect for compact kitchen spaces and small households. The Glasscare Programme from Hotpoint keeps your delicate glasses spotlessly clean and protected. This cycle automatically adapts the intensity of the water throughout the wash. It uses hard water to remove stubborn stains and soft water to give your glassware a polished shine. So, no matter what the occasion is, you'll always have sparkling glasses waiting for you. The QuickWash program gives you outstanding wash results in just 30 minutes. Once you select this setting, the dishwasher increases the intensity and speed of the wash to cut down on time. Perfect for cleaning anything you haven't been cooking with, such as breakfast bowls and coffee cups. This means when you need to rustle up a quick lunch or throw a last-minute dinner party, your dishes will be ready in no time. So, if you want dishes that shine and glasses that sparkle, this brilliant Hotpoint dishwasher has all the clever technology you need.